Hi, it's Steve. Today we're going to show you how to install a cabinet seal on your dishwasher, and it's a really easy job and you won't need any tools. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to install the cabinet seal on this dishwasher, we'll start by opening the door. That'll give it a little better access, and if need be, release the 2 screws that secure the dishwasher in the cabinet and just pull it slightly forward so that we have clear access to this front edge. And carefully unfold the seal. Now, installing this seal, we want to make sure that we keep that soft, flexible rubber portion towards the back, and then we're going to spread this rigid plastic over the edge of the tub as well as the metal bracket in behind. Use caution in the corners. Use caution in the corners. We don't want to separate the individual pieces. You'll probably find it easier if you tip the back edge in first, allow it to cover the metal portion, and then roll it towards the front. Now make sure it's snug all the way around. Then we're going to carefully push the dishwasher back into the cabinets. We'll make sure that the soft rubber portion contacts the edges of your cabinetry to provide a tight seal. Once we've done that, we'll resecure the 2 tabs at the front, and your repair is complete.